Okay, we are looking at lesson 97, advanced substitution. It's basically another way to solve systems of equations. We've done ones like this before, right? 97. So what we want to do, instead of using just regular substitution or elimination, we want to do advanced substitution, which is where you're going to have fractions, basically. Do you want to solve the first one or the second one? The second one for what? Okay, we're solving this one for x. It really doesn't matter. No, it doesn't matter. You're going to end up with a weird number, like a weird thing anyway. So how would I solve this bottom one for x? Okay, so okay, right? Now what? I'm going to leave it as this for x. I'm not going to break it into two separate fractions.
Always?
Yeah, I'm just going to leave it like that. No. I mean, that's not our final answer, but that's just how we're leaving it before we substitute it in. So instead of x on this other one, what am I going to put in? 3y plus 13 over 4. We put it into the top one. Do y'all see how that works? We just substituted that strange thing in. But right now, I have fractions, right? What is the only denominator that I have? 4. How could I get rid of that 4? Multiply everything by 4? If I multiply this one by 4, do I have to multiply the other ones by 4?
Yeah.
What happens to this part right here? Those 4's cancel out, right? And we have 3 times 3y plus 13. Does that make sense? What happens to this one? And then negative 12. So did we get rid of our fractions? Now is it pretty straightforward? Any confusion on how to get here so far? Okay, so 9y plus 39 plus 8y equals negative 12. 17y is going to equal what? And so what does y equal? Do y'all see how that works? And now we plug the y in over here. 3 times negative 3 plus 13. So x equals 1, right? That's an equal sign. So how do I write my answer? That's my actual answer. You see how that works? Just a different way to solve these. Right now, you're just practicing on 2 by 2s. Okay? Well, I think they do these with 3 by 3s at some point. And the reason, because sometimes it's easier to do this than to try and do elimination. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's do one more example. Oh, I skipped it. Whoops, there it is. So see if you can do it by yourself. All right, who wants to go do their answer or like work it out completely? I don't care. Somebody go up there.
No offense, it's a bunch of white people.
Yes, that's exactly what I just said. It's all white people, like stuck in that.
All white people don't suck. That's offensive. Hey, Doug McDermott, cold white people.
Do you agree with Jamar's answer?
Yes, I do.
Yep.
Did we actually have fractions on this one?
No, it doesn't
So can you actually sometimes find ones that don't have fractions?
Yes.
Not usually, but sometimes. Any questions on advanced substitution?
Well, you could have had a fraction on it.
You could have used it if you'd used the first equation. Yeah, but if you can see a way where you get rid of your fractions. Yeah. Yeah, no, that's fine.
Can Caleb put that on progress?
Yeah.